Hey, what's going on, guys? So another way that I want to celebrate Char month this month is by having a Char clone bracket. Now, this was something that I thought about doing on my own as like a separate video, doing like a power ranking, sort of similar like we did on Gunpla Talk last episode, where we took a look at power ranking the different series of Gunpla. I wanted to do that with all the Char clones, but there's a few that I'm just not really that familiar with, so I thought it wouldn't really be very entertaining to watch me guess about different clones that I really don't know that much about the characters, so I'm going to leave it up to you guys. We're going to have a public vote, and so what I'm going to do is basically be using my Instagram and Facebook page as well as my YouTube page here to share this as we're going through the thing. So first off, on the different social media, I'll post up the image of the bracket so you guys will be able to see that. I've got 14 different Char clones from different series and things, so you guys will be able to see that. And I'm going to have the voting just as public voting here on my YouTube channel in the community tab up there. You guys will be able to go there, and we'll have a new poll every day, and they'll have a new pairing. So like the first day will just be the first pair, and then the winner of that will move on, and we'll just make our way through the bracket with a new poll every day with the different pairings until we get to the ultimate Char clone. So it's just something fun, and I thought we could do just you guys be able to weigh in and vote on who your favorite Char clones are, as there are quite a few of them. So just make sure you're following not only here on YouTube but also my Instagram and Facebook pages, so in case you miss each day's pairing, you guys will be able to see that, and you can come here back to YouTube to the community tab and place your vote there for which one you prefer out of that day's pairing. So pretty simple. If you guys have any other questions, though, of course you can leave those down in the comment section below. And thanks so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support and your votes as we go through and find out who the ultimate Char clone is. It should be fun, so have fun, you guys, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.